Okay, this problem is asking us about relative extrema. Relative extrema, of course, occur when f prime changes signs. They give us f prime, so we don't actually need to take a derivative. They give us f prime, and it's already factored for us. Now, this is very nice because we can see that at x equals 3, we're going to have a bounce. That was something we learned in pre-calculus. So a bounce is going to indicate that f prime of x will actually not change sign at that point. So statement 2 is false. So anything in it, anything that has statement 2 in the answer choice will be, we can immediately eliminate. So that's going to be D and E. So now we basically have to say, well, is 1 correct and is 3 correct? Now they're not automatically correct because it's saying that there's a maximum. Now maximums occur when we change from positive to negative. And well, it's saying its maximum is at both points. So basically we have to see, will it change from positive to negative? How do we go about and do that? Well, we can plug in a value for, I guess if one of these is true, then we still have to test the other one. Okay, so we can plug in a really, really large value and see if we get a negative value. If we plug in a really, really large value, this is going to be positive, this is going to be positive, this is going to be positive. Well, that can't be a maximum at 4 then. So that's also not true. So it's not going to be that one. It's not going to be that one. A is the only possible value. Let's kind of talk about that a little bit more. Why did we plug in a positive value? Well, I was searching for a way to do a shortcut that I didn't have to plug in all the numbers surrounding 2, meaning a number a little bit less than 2, a little bit more than 2. I wanted to just plug in a really big value at first because, again, I knew I had to make this true. It had to go from positive to negative. And looking at it, I can plug in a really big positive number, and my outcome on the right side is always going to be positive. So it can never actually be negative as changing from positive to negative. All right, a little confusing. My explanation. Why don't you look at this a little bit more on the video, maybe pause it and see if you understand this problem. You're going to see these type of problems on the AP exam, so it's important that you understand how to answer the problems in this format where they give you 3 statements and they ask you different questions about them. Which statement is true, which statement is false, which statements are false, so on and so forth. So get comfortable with these type of problems. All right, I'll see you back for problem 23.